welcome back to this week's vlog. This week, what I'm doing today, I am getting my mold box ready for the Tasmanian tiger head and feet. So I'll be doing some molding, feet, head, and I also wanted to make a mold of the Inari fox as well. While I have the silicone going. So yes, that's the plan for today. I do need to get some more hot glue for my mold box. I'll get that at some stage. So that is the plan for today. I don't know, it doesn't take that long to make a mold box anyway, but I do want to mold it and then probably maybe cast it tomorrow, because I would like to start getting that commission done, and then I can actually start doing some other stuff. Some watercolors. I'd like to do some more watercolor at some point. I need to take some stock images of all of the ball and socket parts that I got last week, so I can put them in my shop. So hopefully I can put them in the shop next week. So I need to take some stock photos of that. It shouldn't take too long, it's just a bit fiddly is all. And then I'd like to get my ferret doll finished as well while these are getting molded and casted. So the silicone, I'll leave it overnight for it to cure properly. It usually tacks off in about 20 minutes, but yeah, I like to leave it overnight just to make sure it's properly cured, and then I can do some casting tomorrow. What else? That's pretty much it. I'll have a new video up in on my Patreon. This is the body for the gorilla doll, so how I did that, it is up on my Patreon, and there's a whole lot of other ones up as well if you want to check it out, and the link will be in my description. So yeah, I will get a move on with doing some stuff. Today's Friday. So I'll just give a little update of what I did yesterday. I did a little bit of work on my ferret doll. So he's all sewn up, ready to get some fur on the head and the feet and a trim. I'm just going to have a brown mask, just like a regular ferret. And then they should be ready to be put up in my shop. But as normal, my patrons will get early access to him. So if you want early access to my work, you can join for $2 even. So yeah, hopefully I'll get this done in the next week or so. I molded my couple of things yesterday. I molded the Tasmanian tiger head, and I also molded the feet for it, and I molded the Inari fox as well. So that's ready to be tested for casting. So don't know if I'll get time to do that today. Maybe, I'm not sure, because it's already 3 o'clock. But yeah, I also took some pictures of all of the new stock for the armature. So I've got to edit those and then upload them into my store, and then it'll be available. So hopefully maybe next week I'll have it available. Got some glue today, yay, finally, that's exciting. So that is done. I did a little watercolor yesterday with some little raccoons. I thought about making them into stickers, but I'm not too sure just yet. So yeah, see what happens. So yes, I had a new watercolor go up today, a new print that will be up in my shop. It's a gorilla forest. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Might just do a couple of things today. If you're in Australia, Spotlight has a sale on faux fur, so it's 40% off. Don't know whether it will still be 40% off by the time that you see this, but it's worth having a look. So yeah, I might demold the, what do you call it, the molds. And if I have time, do a test cast, but other than that, we'll see how much I can get done. Probably not a lot, because I'll probably have to start editing anyway. Yes, okay. I'm gonna end the vlog here. We have a storm coming through, so it's quite dark outside. Don't know if you can see, but it's just started raining. what's it called? Yes, so I demolded the Tasmanian tiger, the feet, and the kitsune sculpts. A little bit of damage on the kitsune, but not anything too major that I can't fix, so overall not too bad. I just need to fix some of the ears and just a couple of little scrapes and stuff, but other than that it's got off pretty scot-free. So that will then go back onto this head, so I can make the resin sculpture of it in the distant future. So the molds are ready to cast, so I'll do some casting when I get a chance to do that. But in the meantime, I did a little quick watercolor study of a Tengu. So I might turn that into a sticker or something, just play it around with it, or I might do it on Procreate and make it into a digital item, and what's it called, make stickers from that. We'll see. But yeah, so I'll probably edit the I'm gonna edit this vlog, and then I'm gonna do the pictures for the armature, and then I'll probably just do a quick little video on just how the armature works and what tools you need and the sizes and stuff. Cat is getting into my dolls. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Thanks to my patrons for supporting me. I do appreciate it very, very much. If you want to support me, the link will be in the description, and you get access to a whole lot of different perks and stuff and printables and blah blah blah. So head over there and check it out and see what you like. Or you can check me out on Instagram and Facebook at Creatures of Nat, and yeah, my shop at creaturesofnat.com, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!